The DJI Osmo Action is DJI's first action camera, and it's a solid, more affordable alternative to the GoPro HERO9 Black. It's one of the first action cams to feature a handy front-facing live view screen for selfies and vlogs. It also has an excellent electronic stabilization feature to reduce camera shake, unsurprising for a company known for its gimbals and drones. DJI also advertises that it's waterproof to a depth of 11 meters without a protective case and that it can withstand temperatures as low as 10 degrees Celsius, so you can bring it wherever your adventures take you. The DJI Osmo Action is excellent for action video. You can easily mount it onto a helmet or chest rig, and it's sturdy and waterproof to an advertised depth of 11 meters. It has a fantastic video stabilization feature to help smooth out camera shake. It also has a lot of frame rate options, including 4K up to 60 FPS and 1080p up to 240 FPS, meaning you can capture various kinds of slow-motion video. The video quality in 4K and 1080p isn't the most impressive, so footage doesn't look very sharp or detailed, especially at night or indoors with less lighting. The original DJI Osmo Pocket is still a very relevant stabilized camera, even after the release of the Osmo 2 and many GoPros, as it delivers high-quality stabilized footage in a 4K format.